In this video, you'll learn how to optimize your site for mobile on Bluehost so your visitors have a smooth experience no matter what device they're using. We'll go step by step inside your Bluehost tools, and I'll explain what each change actually does for your users so you're not just clicking around blindly. First, sign into your Bluehost account manager. This is your main dashboard where you control your hosting, domains, and websites. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Websites. Go ahead and click that, and then choose Edit Site for the specific website you'd like to optimize. This will open your site editor, which is where you'll make all your visual changes. At the top of the editor, you'll see a toolbar with different icons. What you're looking for is the device switcher icon. It usually looks like a little smartphone. This is a really important tool because it lets you preview and edit how your site appears on different devices without leaving the editor. Click on the device switcher and then choose the mobile view. Your site preview will shrink down to simulate a phone screen. Take a moment to scroll through your pages here. Notice how sections stack, how images resize, and how text wraps on smaller screens. This is the view your visitors see when they're on their phones, so any adjustments you make now are targeted specifically for mobile users. One of the biggest improvements you can make is hiding large elements that don't work well on mobile, things like heavy background videos, large autoplay clips, or huge high-resolution banners can slow down loading times on cellular connections. In mobile view, click on these elements and look for the option to hide them on mobile. You're not deleting them from your site, you're simply choosing not to show them to visitors on smaller screens. This helps pages load faster and reduces data usage, which is especially important for people browsing on limited plans. Next, focus on your text. On a phone, headings and titles that look great on desktop can suddenly feel oversized and clunky. Still in the mobile view, click on your headings and adjust the font size so that the text is easy to read without forcing users to scroll horizontally. You want titles that stand out but don't dominate the entire screen. Check a few different sections and make sure paragraphs remain readable with enough line spacing so they don't feel cramped. Now take a look at your spacing and buttons. On mobile, people are tapping with their thumbs, not clicking with a mouse, so accuracy is lower. This is where the fat thumb rule comes in. Buttons and clickable links need enough padding and space around them so users don't accidentally tap the wrong thing. Select a button and slightly increase the padding so it feels comfortable to tap. Then check the distance between multiple buttons or links. They should be visually separated with enough room so even a quick tap lands where it's supposed to. As you work, move slowly down each page in mobile view, hiding heavy elements where needed, refining font sizes and adjusting spacing until everything feels balanced and easy to interact with. When you're happy with how it looks, make sure to save or publish your changes so they go live. By using the device switcher in your Bluehost editor and tailoring elements specifically for mobile, you create a faster, cleaner, and more user-friendly experience for everyone visiting your site on their phones.